Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. It actually has not been a minute, it's been like 2 months. But I'm back with another video! I've been slacking recently, like I've not posted in 2 months, and I do apologize for that. I'm very sorry. But here we are, you know, bringing the channel back to life. Let me give you a quick update of what I've been up to for the past 2 months. The last video I posted was in Colorado when I was visiting Emily Rice. Okay everyone, Emily's dropping me off at the airport. I actually flew on a plane by myself for the first time to get back to Virginia, and that was definitely an experience. Basically, I've never flown by myself on an airplane before, and I'm very scared. So, we'll see how this goes.
A little nervous.
I'm so scared.
Bye.
Oh my gosh,
You got it.
Hey, Brandon. I wrapped up my last month of this summer, which also happens to be my last summer as a teenager, which is kind of scary because next year I'm turning 20, which is kind of crazy because I still feel like I'm like 16 years old. But for now, I am back at school. College has definitely been interesting. I am currently living with 4 of my friends from my freshman year dorm last year. If you did watch my college videos last semester, then you probably will recognize them. Good time. Yeah. I'm currently living with Ashton, Alexis, Niam, and Jeffrey. It's been a lot of fun. We tried to create a reality TV episode.
Everyone relax. Oh, don't take it out. You guys already mixed it up. We're doing good. We're doing good. With the nerve that he has.
How do you zoom in editing? You already have the footage.
You don't even live here! I am choking die.
At least it'll be on video. Look the views.
It is definitely still a work in progress, but we're getting there. Shorty Shack Reality TV Episode 1 coming soon. Mark your calendars. Date TBD. Who knows? Moving on. I am currently taking a film photography class, which I really like. It's my favorite class I'm taking right now. It also is my least favorite class I'm taking right now because I've been very frustrated when I don't know how to do stuff. Let me show you how you put film in a film camera. This is a very important part. You need the film, otherwise you can't even load the film camera. Obviously. Here it is, right here. So you have to put it in upside down. Like this. You just pop it right in. Maybe. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. Now, you pull this. You literally, this tutorial is just so pointless. Roll it up. So yeah, now it's good. I close this. Take a few photos. Oh, the lid's literally on. And that's how you load a film camera. Recently, I've been doing a lot of hiking with Alexis in Shenandoah.
Transition.
Yeah.
Even though
it's wagging its tail at us. We nearly died yesterday, like multiple times, but we survived. We made it. We made it out alive. And lastly, Emily Rice may or may not have come and surprised me at JMU. I had zero idea. Like, none. I was so shook. Hey. Neither. So honestly, there's been quite a lot going on in my life recently, and I just have not sat down and tried to make a video about it yet, but I really have no excuse because like I've definitely had the time and I just have not been motivated to sit down and make a video, so this is a starting point. Thank you for watching this video. I again really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully it doesn't take me 2 months to sit down and edit the video this time, but if it does, then I'll see you in 2 months. Hopefully it's a good video.